Hey there, muscle car fans. Welcome to Pedal to the Metal Muscle Car Performance. Today we're going to show you this Pro Touring 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. An unbelievably beautiful car, which was completely restored by us and repainted in this beautiful silver color with silver ghost stripes. The car is equipped with a lowered performance suspension, four-wheel disc brakes with custom aluminum wheels. Engine in this car is a very nicely, freshly built 455 cubic inch big block. And although the car says 396 on the badges, which it was originally when it was an SS 396, the engine inside this car is actually 454 big block. As you can see, the engine bay is very clean, highly detailed, and the engine is dressed up with the chrome dress-up kit, new brake cylinder booster with power brakes and power steering, coated headers, beautiful exhaust sound on this car, and it's absolutely amazing. If you see this car outside, it looks absolutely clean and mean. As we walk around this car, you will also notice all the chrome and all the details to be in great condition. It's also got smoked glass, tinted smoked glass, which looks awesome. It's got specially rear wide tires under the car, which gives you a lot of grip, because this car is also equipped with a manual 4-speed Munchie transmission, which makes this baby very fast indeed and great fun to drive. The rear bumper also is brand new and re-chromed. The taillights, the trunk lid is also very straight, and of course it's needless to say that the underside of this car is also completely restored and highly detailed. The car is absolutely rust-free, very solid, and was never in any accident or in any damages. We're still working on the car. We're doing little details that we still have to finish up, but otherwise you can see this car is already pretty amazing. We're going to show you the interior of the car, which has the correct SS dashboard and gouges. You can see the Hurst 4-speed shifter, floor console, beautiful brand new bucket seats, original style bucket seats from Chevelle, new door panels, new carpeting, new headliner, new emblems everywhere around this car. Everything was absolutely done in a gorgeous way. And although the car is an absolute performance car and a Pro Touring car, it still has the looks today of an absolute classic Chevelle SS. So no racing bucket seats and 4-point seat belts and all that stuff on a car like this. More information about the car you can find on our website www.pedal2themetal.nl, where you can also find more pictures, pricing of the car, and a complete explanation of all the details that this car has. For now, we thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoy it. This is an absolute amazing car, guys. You will see that on this video. Gorgeous car. Very proud of it. Thank you for watching.